Yeah, how's everybody doing? Rob Coloney with BlueRock Therapeutics. Um, this is just such a great program. I hope that all of you find what you're looking for, and certainly, at least I'll speak for myself. If you don't land at BlueRock and you want a little bit of support or advice, please feel free to reach out. I come from the higher ed background, so I had spent years running career centers prior to joining the biotech industry. I led talent at Bluebird Bio prior to joining BlueRock Therapeutics, where I am now. Interesting, about us, we're a wholly owned but independently functioning and operating subsidiary of Bayer. And we're kind of trying to lead engineered cell therapy using cell and gene therapy, and our platform is supremely interesting. I'm not going to dive too much into the science because I want to talk about the opportunities relevant to you, and then certainly we can have individualized conversations either later or at a future date. But I joined BlueRock to revamp our college program and our early career program. So what that means is two things. Number one, really appreciative to join the LifeSci NYC program this year and have an opportunity to engage with all of you, primarily because this is going to be a proof of concept for our organization. In years past, we had hired interns kind of as a one-off. Our goal now is to make sure that we are bringing in multiple interns per cycle. So, of course, the fall and the spring when you're in school, but also in the summer. And then have those opportunities lead directly to full-time experiences. This year, because I joined a little bit late, I joined in January, we're going to use programs like these to kind of fill that proof of concept for us, get you attached to passionate and involved mentors and hiring teams to make sure that you are getting an experiential, opportunity out of this beyond just something for your resume. We want this to be beneficial for you beyond your day-to-day. And so there's an interesting dynamic between our HR team, myself, and then the actual work you'll be doing on a daily basis. And we've also got an early career platform that's going to allow students who are pre-matriculates about to graduate either from an undergrad or graduate degree to apply to opportunities from a full-time perspective and get engaged right away, and then basically allow you to choose your start date. So we're really hoping to drive our scalability and the way that our company moves forward with bright minds such as yourselves. And that's kind of the impetus for us being involved in this program. We're really passionate about delivering the promise of cell and gene therapy. But as many people here will tell you, that's kind of a new area, an uncharted territory for many organizations that are involved in it, almost like building and flying the plane simultaneously. And so where we feel that's going to provide tremendous value for each of you is we want to bring different thinkers on board, and we want to make sure that your voice is heard and that you're able to contribute to this novel approach that's really going to increase and enhance the quality of life for many of our patients. And so folks who are collaborative, thrive in fun and dynamic environments are really important to us, but specifically for New York City and for the opportunity that will be available this year, here are some of the things from the hiring team that we're kind of looking for. And if this sounds like you, I encourage you to apply and certainly get in touch with me. So mining gene expression data will be one of the first things, both single cell and bulk. And basically our goal then is to analyze that using machine learning tools that we'll kind of walk you through. You'll also be utilizing analysis tools, not only analysis tools that we build, but those that are publicly available to get some meaningful biological interpretations, from our genomic and our lab data. And then the third thing will be you'll be using image and video processing tools and methods to extract digital information related to those biological states of differentiated stem cells. There's going to be a tremendous amount of guidance and support from our team. That's something that I'm really involved with and trying to make sure that there's a meaningful experience and a mentor that can guide you all as you matriculate through the process. So would be happy to chat more about that in the Q&A or privately thereafter. So excited for the opportunity to meet you all, and many thanks for your attention and attendance.